Good Thursday morning to you. We have a few clusters of thunderstorms racing across the western UP and now moving into the central UP. Here's the latest, a loop for the last 2 hours as they kind of rolled through. Why? Well, we have a cold front that's on our doorstep that's going to move through today and all the way through tomorrow. Eventually stall just south and southeast of us as we head into the weekend. But right now you can really see where those two main clusters are at. Initially it started off as just one cluster, and now it's kind of broken apart into 2 to 3 clusters of thunderstorms. Still seeing some moderate heavy rain over in our western counties just east of Elm River all the way down through Standard along 45. The two main clusters of moderate to heavy rain as depicted here in the hues of orange and red over in parts of Baraga County along US 41. So north of Covington, north of Michigami, south of Michigami along 141. And the second one is still over in parts of Gogebic County right over Waters Meet there. Go ahead and zoom in to a few of these locations so you get a better idea of what we're seeing there right now. Here it is along US 2 and along US 45. Waters Meet really getting the brunt of it at the moment right now. And now we're seeing some light to moderate steady rain showers working into parts of Marquette as well as Dickinson and Menominee and Delta counties. So as we progress, this is going to still continue to track east throughout the rest of your morning. I think it'll be out of the area by about, I would say, 10 to 11. Let's go ahead and dive in on how, tall these storms are. The heaviest rains now in the core of it extending to right around 30,000 feet in height. And this one up here up to about 40,000 feet in height. Right now you can see that cloudy view and rainy over at Lake Gogebic. The wind's kicking up over in Marquette and the storm off in the distance. The gray skies out there. Here's your hour by hour. That timeline still extending through 7:30 in the morning for the central counties, moving out by 10 and 11. Round 2 moves in starting 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, mainly for the central UP, exiting off to the east and then kind of clearing out. A few sprinkles will still be around tomorrow morning. Severe weather threat with these. I do have a level 1 and a 2 as predicted by the Storm Prediction Center. Level 1 is on the low end. That's a marginal risk. Level 2, where we could see more in the way of those strong to severe thunderstorms, is right along the Wisconsin state line in the yellow. So the main hazards associated with these storms will be some wind gusts in excess of 60 to 65 miles per hour. Hail easily 1/4 of an inch to potentially an inch, and some soaking torrential rains with some of the stronger ones. And your impacts with these, we could see a few scattered power outages. That's possible. And a few down trees, maybe a few down branches as well. Some localized ponding of water will also be an issue. Some of these storms will pack quite a punch, especially with rain. Easily 1/2 of an inch to about an inch, and even 1.5 inches of rain possible, again, with some of these stronger storms. It's not that it's going to be widespread. It's just where that stronger storm is going to set up. Okay, and temperatures will stay into the 70s. We will still have some on-off chances for some rain showers.